Could the Kerala air tragedy have been prevented using the EMAS technology? Please subscribe to our channel. An Air India Express flight crashed after overshooting the runway at Kozhikode Airport in Kerala on Friday night. India's second tabletop plane crash in a decade has drawn the focus of authorities on these short runways that can challenge the best of pilots when the weather's bad. Aircraft overshooting the runway may or may not have major consequences, but the calicut accident shows that it can have devastating consequences and loss of life, particularly on tabletop runways. To prevent such incidents, some of the world's major airports have a safety mechanism called arrestor beds to slow down and halt the aircraft if it overshoots the runway. These arrestors are important for those airports that cannot have a long safety area beyond the runway, either due to non-availability of space or tabletop runways. The idea behind the arrestors is that the soft ground they create easily deforms under the weight of the aircraft that has overshot the runway. As the airplane tires crush the material it is made of, the drag slows it down. Aviation regulators have worked with the industry, have come up with engineered solutions for the design of these arrestors as well as the material that goes into them. Mathematical models have helped predict aircraft stopping distances, which have been further validated by full-scale aircraft testing. An engineered materials arrestor system, EMAS, or arrestor bed is a bed of engineered materials built at the end of a runway to reduce the severity of the consequences of a runway excursion. Engineered materials are defined in FAA Advisory Circular No. 150/52/2022b as high-energy absorbing materials of selected strength, which will reliably and predictably crush under the weight of an aircraft. While the current technology involves lightweight, crushable concrete blocks, any material that has been approved to meet the FAA Advisory Circular can be used for an EMAS. The purpose of an EMAS is to stop an aircraft overrun with no human injury and minimal aircraft damage. The aircraft is slowed by the loss of energy required to crush the EMAS material. An EMAS is similar in concept to the runaway truck ramp or race circuit gravel trap, made of gravel or sand. It is intended to stop an aircraft that has overshot a runway when there is an insufficient free space for a standard runway safety area, RSA. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the like button. Thank you.